Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Realme 9 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find System, not this option, sorry, Password and Security, this one. Go into, then tap it, System Security, and here we got SIM card lock option. Go into this. Now, last one, click lock SIM card to turn off this option. And for unlocking SIM card, need to enter your PIN and click OK. And that's it. Now we remove SIM pin from your SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.